Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Lords, we are back with Umkhokha the Curse. Sorry for not being here yesterday, but I'm trying my best. Okay, let us get into Uphakathwayo noNdlovu, right? Uphakathwayo went to Undlovu and went to apologize, and Undlovu said, no, I want a public apology. But the public apology was then Uphakathwayo nomkhandlo, right? And Undlovu accepted the apology. Now, Undlovu narrates the story in the morning to his family. Ati uDiva bekampunga. He was dusty. That's a direct translation now. He was something that no person could recognize. He was just something else. And because he was just something else, it was difficult for him not to even forgive uDiva. Are uDiva like, hey, amafinyela bewahamba kuditedung. Yeah, siZulu sinalompet. Then like it's pity, but in essence, uDiva had to humble himself and go down and bow down into his presence because he could see ukuthi he was wrong, and there's nothing or no one that can play Nensila Kamkhululi. I'm like, hamba Ndlovu ke uNdlovu bamngena abafazi bakhe. Hayi omunye yabona ukuthi yayiqala ke manje le ndaba ayiqala thi mara guy, have you ever wena girl mna kwethu, have you ever seen ukuthi ever since uNobuntu has came back uGajeni is acting in a different manner? uGajeni is just something else, something that is not supposed to be. He's embarrassing us in the church. I vele bavumelana ukuthi hayi man ushintshile vele since Nobuntu has come back, and they both agree ukuthi if they can see it, it means outside people can see it, and therefore an intervention is necessary. Ukhulekane ngisho ingenile 150,000 from YouTube, right? Okay, fine, ingenile 150,000 from YouTube. Bavumelane nomkakhe ukuthi they are going to give a tithe of the money, which is 15,000 rands to the church. Fine, no problem. And then Khulekane decides to be a typical mzalwane. Yeah, a typical mzalwane who needed to give the first seed. Like this no longer a first seed because Ukhulekane was working as a policeman, but nonetheless, who decided to give the first seed, of which is 150,000, the whole amount, to the church, and then said God will make a plan without telling the wife. Yo, like bobona ukuthi unomkhosi angazi ukuthi angayenzani. Unomkhosi bokuthi her skin can get out of her body because wow, like how do you give 150,000 rands to a whole church without talking to your wife? Yeah, that's Khulekane for you. That is Pastor Khulekane for you. Nabona ukuthi ukudila nomkhosi is not going to work. Let him just round around the house while he was making something for himself, right? Isandla nasiyamthinta on the shoulder, and he got scared because he thought he was the only one in the kitchen. Guy, when he turned around, it was Umvelase. I'd say, I love you, I'm proud of you. And he's like, you are a demon, you are not in existence, you are not here. Hey, he started praying because the fear is, what if indeed this man is here? Yo, hi guys, Ukhulekane is breathing through the wind, more especially with his church career going to the sky high, and this happening. And then we also have uMamZobe, guys. uMamZobe is not coping. Girls yambuyela, girls yampogela, girl things are showing her flames. Girl is not at peace, and girl needs that peace. So while she's struggling to be in the peace that she needs to be, ngale ubandlo uzamxolo is also has had a heavy spirit. Excuse me, but I'm thinking now it's because of the cleansing, right? uMamZobe has to be cleansed and baptized again, so that she can be forgiven her sins of what she did. However, the greatest sin that she has done of poisoning Umvelase was the one that she has not yet confessed. And at this point, girl needs to confess to that sin. And the question is, does she have the guts? Does she have the liver? Does she have isibindi of confessing that I terminated your comfort? Hey, it's going to be very difficult. But with that said, uMamZobe is looking at Isambato, her clergy dresses, and she's like, I'm going too much and I'm going to do this. Will Umvelase allow it? That's the question. Abize usfoci, right? Calls usfocia, tells usfocia that he needs to tell something to Umkhululi. Guys, I was so happy that izindaba zizophuma. Finally, the secret about Umvelas is gonna come out. Tell praise, and then Upakatwa says, I'm going to support you 100%. I did say I'll stand by you and I'll stand by you. Then Umamzobe went and met with Uzamcol. Then Umamzobe had to unfold the whole situation with Uzamcol. What bored me, what bored me is Umamzobe told Uzamcol ukuthi unfortunately I bewitched Unokubonga, and then I bewitched. I wanted to bewitch Umabus, but I took the wrong underwear. Then I ended up bewitching Unokubonga. Hence, Unokubonga did not have a child, and Unokubonga couldn't have Inzalo. This is why we are here. Yo, I was so bored. Hey, that is not the secret that I was looking for, but you could see Ugutu Zamkolo is news to him, and he was shocked. He didn't know what to say, and then Kegwati vela se ungishiyelani yafela neta. This is your girl Disebe D. I love you. Peace. Bye.